Williams. And Arizona. And a pretty tightly contested. Welcome back, everyone. The second half about to get underway, and it's been a close one so far. Golden State takes possession. I tell you what, that's just a major unforced error right there, guys. My goodness. Pass to Green. This one for three. That's good. Now here's Johnson. He hasn't scored yet, but I'm sure it'll change. And 2 ball. This is the fallback change. And here's Lee. Now here are the Lakers. A 2-point game. Here's Johnson. Blocked. Two shots coming up. This is his second trip to the line, and this one, that one is off. And he misses the second one as well. So it's Lee outside. Back to Green. Lee outside. Pass to Green. Commit turnovers when you try to do too much or you force it. You need to focus on making a simple play, good passes, and moving the ball around. Now, here's O'Neal.
Kasi may ginagawa ko dito eh. Kasi kailangan ko ito, kailangan ko ipasok ko.
Just around 2 minutes into the final half of play now. And the Lakers
Tapos magamit pa ako sa internet na mga babae. Ba't naman yung lalaki?
He's got 7. He's definitely turned things around in this game. I mean, he was more of a background player in the first half, but he's on the second stage now.
Alam mo pala, mag-ano na tayo na magpigil tayo dito na laban.
Wiggins outside Green. And here's Chamberlain. The Lakers making a switch here. And here's Golden State. Pass to Lee. Points for him. Guys, this doesn't look like the same team defensively we saw.
Oh my God! Ang flashback mo naman. Wala ko si Michelle. Nakakaya ka na si Puta.
Off the rim. Chamberlain with the 5-second differential. They'll get another chance. Here's Baylor. The Warriors roll it in. Lee outside.
Yung pinipoi ko kasi, ano siya, sa siya pagkam. Pero, yung pinipoi ko kasi, parang ang laki-laki chips ko masok sa pito. Nakagaya yun, take ka. Oo nga, kaya, kasi kanina may binili ako sa scientist. Ito, kayo na. Ikaw na kung ilagay sa pagkain ng baby boy ko. Hindi na, pero bigyan mo ka, 100 million at kuya. 150 na lang. Para naman yung friendship ko eh. Na,
As the lead. Science for three.
Direct nga pala siya, no? Ayun, tignan mo, ano ba ito siya lang? Ay, ate, siguro kikitain niyo yung girlfriend niya. Finger natin. Ate, tuloy ko yung camera. Parang may napuntahan ko ngayon.
Ano? Kasi hindi pupuntahan talaga ako ate. Kasi wala akong pumunta sa mga group league ko. Bakit gagawa ko ng mga, alam mo na, mga speakers.
Tsaka, ang dami mo ngayon na parang Versace Eros.
Oo, kasi kailangan namin na nagpong ako doon. Kasi kailangan formal doon.
Siguro pag umalis doon, sundan na lang namin sa pumunta namin.
Uy, paalit na ako.
O sige, ingat ka.
Okay, bye-bye.
Fast net far off the one. There's making a change here. They can retake the lead after trailing 2-1. Nice work to hang around and just give yourself a chance. Give yourself in position.
Sarap dito. Favorite ko. Magpapagod sa sarap to. Uy, sarap pa. Sabot.
Scott Woodward is in his Aaron Logan's with the ball. Higher Shirley. Jackson. State. Tigers will take possession. Boy, did they ever make a mess out of that one. Terrible turnover. A bit under 3.5 minutes have passed here in the fourth. Now Goodrich.
Parang, ang laki ng katawan, parang may muscle, bodybuilder. Kala mo, Ate Jenny, gitara. Oo nga, tsaka, bakit ganun? Kala ko ba yung ginagawa gusto si Kuya Francis sa lalaki? Kasi ate, kanal yan. Mukha kang masalamat sa kanya. Grabe naman yun. Baka, hindi kaya nag-ayun mo yan. Baka pinailan niya ng mas coaching. O kaya, bakit sinain ko? Siguro natin, magandang gawin natin. Makinig na lang tayo sa kanila. Oo, bantayin natin si Kuya Francis kasi baka mamaya.
Kumakain.
Mas kulado na bodybuilder ngayon. Ate, narinig mo? Daddy tawag na sila. Oo, sabi ng tatay na ata mo nakabili ko yung stress na narinig niya sa Facebook. Ay, ate, kumukha ito ng ano, nagsilat niya si Oslo. Pinatay ko niya ang Oslo.
Teka, matanong ko na yung pangalan mo. Ano pangalan mo?
Sorry, parang medyo nabibiyok ako right now.
Okay.